Assalamu alaikum, dear viewers who are watching this video. I think you are learning English and you are watching that there are some students in my left and right side, and they are the students of class 8. You know that we are teaching in this institution from pre-primary to class 8, and this is the only educational institution in our Upojala where we teach from pre-primary to class 8, and that atmosphere of this institution is calm and quiet, and this is the breaking time and the students are playing and making noise on the outside, but we are sitting in Shahid Minar because this is the last day of our class 8 students, and I have already finished my classes and they come here to record this video because they want to take a memory. Whenever they left this school, they can recall the memories of this institution. I think the students are very polite and gentle because I have found two bases in class 8 in this institution. I joined in this institution in 2023, and if I compare between two batches, they are the best because they are very polite and gentle, and I think whenever they left this school, they will find a most or famous another school. They will admit another famous school, and I hope they will success in their life. And the students who are sitting here, I have found that they are very brilliant students. তুই আসিস না বেটা, ওকে। আমি মনে করি হচ্ছে এই যে যারা এখানে আমার সাথে বসে আছে এরা অত্যন্ত ভদ্র এবং তারা অত্যন্ত ইন্ডাস্ট্রিয়াস। তারা আমি মনে করি বড় হয়ে একজন ডাক্তার, ইঞ্জিনিয়ার, উকিল হতে পারবে। যদি ওই যে বাইরের থেকে মুসকি আসতে আসে যারা, তারা কিন্তু ডাক্তার ইঞ্জিনিয়ার হতে পারবে, কিন্তু আমাদের সাথে বসে ভিডিও করতে পারবে না তারা, কারণ তারা they feel shyness. I think if you want to speak in English, you have to remove your shyness. If you want to learn English, please come here and sit beside us. Okay, আমরা আশা করি আমাদের শিক্ষার্থীদের উজ্জ্বল ভবিষ্যৎ is waiting. বাংলা মিল্লা, ইংলিশ মিল্লা, ঠিক আছে। See you in another video. No more today. Bye bye.